light, medium, hard. And then the side we're keeping, put back in here.
Light, medium, and then long cuts, Myra. And yes, I do.
You want it to be able to go from one end all the way to the other.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
So 2 inches up, and then 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches, cabinets that size. Set that on there, and I put this in like that.
So forget the lightly. If you are not as strong as Bo or James, there you go. So you're just watching it because there's nothing there to stop.
Yep.
Tiny bit more. It's not flush. It looks so stinking easy. Okay, what am I doing wrong?
Nothing.
Oh. And you can feel that. You definitely can. Okay, so I want to go out. Try to keep it flat. Sure. Okay. Okay, I really like this router thing. This is a cool new tool for me.
So there's our length.
And we need 4 of them.
We need 4 of those.
Okay.
That looks slightly larger. The nice thing. You can use the hole saw.
Thank you. This is so much better than digging. How long did it take you to learn? I believe he booked up middle. Just
see, that's
right.
where we want it.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay. Good catch. Across this.
Right.
So you want to be out here, and then on the corner, kind of turn.
And you know what? I'm gonna just kind of let you do that. Any of the power. Okay, so you come across it straight.
Yeah. So I normally start right here.
Okay.
And as we come around.
And then curl it.
Yeah. Now in this one, this spot here is high.
Okay.
So I would just do like this a couple passes until I bring it down to
get that
depth.
spot down. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. I feel like I'm lifting. she's good. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, I just love it. I just love it.
Enough to mark them.
And my floors have to be done before Boswell's come over to.
That's the tight one, the one you'll bump into. Do something like.
Yep. Yep.
So there you have it, a set of shelves. If you have questions about this, I have a whole other channel where I go into detail and answer a lot of questions on it. This is a project for my mother, that's why we're in her kitchen. And it was her design and wanting to do something kind of fun and decorative. I really like how they came out. So
I love them.
it's a simple, easy project that most people could do relatively quickly. So if you have questions of it, hop over to the other channel and check out that video, or throw them in the comments down below. I do read through all of them and I answer as many of them as I can get to. And it actually helps out the channel. Anytime you hit comments, questions, likes, even if you're just giving me some bad criticism, thank you. That helps out the channel and it means a lot. As well as you can go even farther. All of these names over here, those are the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, and gorgeous people over on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are here for you guys and you guys make it happen. So if you like that and would like to help out with Patreon, think about becoming a member or patron. You know what to do down below. Thank you. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So after this project, you guys can tell where I get it from. And my mother, well, she's just a little bit shellfish.
Better.